I've been all in my phone, I got actions, and I don't wanna tell you to trap. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have two chocolates. One is Oreo Scoops Vanilla Bean. This is, I think this is made in Canada, guys. So Vanilla Bean Scoop Areo. The second chocolate I have is the Areo Scoops Double Chocolate, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look so delicious? And then last but not least, guys, I have this Miss Vickies Harvest Cheddar and Jalapeno Chips. Hopefully this tastes good, guys. Okay. So guys, let's put this in my belly. Okay, first we're going to try the vanilla bean chocolate. Also guys, they do have a different flavors. These are not the only two flavors that they have. They also have the chocolate strawberry. Yeah, so they have one more flavor. So that's the other flavor that they have at the top. Okay, so let's try this. And these were two for $5 here in Canada. Why is my phone doing this? Come on. Okay, let's try this, guys. This is how it looks, guys. This is the front of the chocolate, and this is the back. Okay. And that's the middle. This is the vanilla bean. Yeah, vanilla bean. Cream, that's in the middle. Also, guys, I have water to put in my belly. Sparkling water. Honestly, guys, you could taste the vanilla bean a little bit. One second, guys. I have to fix the camera. Okay, guys. So this vanilla bean Areo chocolate. I'm not really tasting the vanilla bean as much. All I'm tasting is the chocolate. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to be tasting the vanilla bean. I'm not really tasting it, guys. It's a good chocolate, but I'm not tasting the vanilla bean that's in the middle. I don't know why, but it's not bad. I'm gonna rate it out of 5, guys, too. So I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 5. It's not bad, but I would have gave it a 5, not a 5. I would have gave it a 4 if I would have tasted the vanilla bean in the middle. And I'm not tasting it, I'm only tasting the chocolate. So I'm giving it a 3 out of 5, guys. If you guys do want to try this, I'm not sure if they have it. Actually, they probably will. So you guys can check at Walmart and see if they have this. This is my first time trying this vanilla bean Areo scoops chocolate. So I gave that a 3 out of 5, guys. It's not bad, but I'm not tasting the vanilla bean. And that's the honest truth. Okay. Second, I'm going to try the double chocolate Areo scoops. Let's see if I'm tasting the ice cream flavor as they showed on the front of this chocolate wrapper. So let's see, guys. First, let me clean my palate with some water to go in my belly. Excuse me. Now we could try this. So this is how the front looks. And this is how the back looks. This is the middle. And that's also the middle. Okay, let's try it, guys. And guys, let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried these 2 flavored chocolates. Guys, this is the same thing too as well. This tastes like the original, if you guys know what I'm talking about, the original Areo chocolate. This tastes just like it. I'm not lying. You guys need to try this for yourself and let me know down in the comments if you guys think I'm right. If you guys think I'm wrong, let me know down in the comments. But this tastes just like the original Areo. I'm not tasting, okay, I could taste the double chocolate, yes. But isn't it supposed to taste like an ice cream? I'm not getting that. It just tastes like the original Areo chocolate. That's all I'm tasting. The original Areo chocolate. And I wish, guys, that you see the glaze, or I think you'll call glazed syrup, whatever it is on top of the ice cream. I wish that was in the middle of this chocolate. And it's just giving me the original Areo. That's all it's giving me. If they would have added some of this syrup or glaze you want to say, I wish that it was either on top or in the middle. And then when you take a bite, you're getting that chocolate drizzle. But it tastes just like the original Areo chocolate. So I'm giving this a 3 out of 5 as well. It's not bad. Tastes like a original Areo chocolate, but it's not tasting like how this picture is shown in the front of this chocolate bar. So 3 out of 5, guys. Last but not least, guys. Okay, let me clean my palette. Last but not least, guys, I'm trying the Miss Vickies. This is the limited edition Harvest Cheddar and Jalapeno, guys. So I think this is a Canadian brand. I'm not sure, but I'm trying it, guys. And another thing I hate is that when you get the chip bags, right? It looks like it's all the way at the top, guys. But as soon as you open it, it's just filled with air. And look, barely anything in that chip bag. And they're charging so much. Like, if you get a big one, it's like $3, $4, $5, something like that. And you're not really getting much but air that's in it. And just a little bit of chips. This was like $2.39 plus tax, guys, right? Let's just try it. So it looks like this. Oh, it's kind of blurry. Like that. Guys, do you hear that crunch? Guys, these chips, they're so good. I'm not getting the kick of the jalapeno flavor in there, but I am getting the cheddar taste. It's good and it's crunchy, but I'm not getting so much of the jalapeno in there. But I'll give this a 5 out of 5 because it's really good. This will taste good with a nice sandwich or a nice sub. This will taste good with. You guys should try this and let me know what you think about it, because I give this a 5 out of 5 and it's really good. And it's limited edition, guys. So if you ever get the chance to try this, please let me know down in the comments and let me know what you guys think about it, because it's really good. It's good. 5 out of 5. This is my favorite thing that I've tried. The chocolates, they're not it. But this, 5 out of 5. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Please, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, guys, please turn your notification bell so when I do post a new video, you guys will be notified first. And stay tuned. Either tomorrow or Friday, I will be posting me eating a steak or king crab legs with some corn and potato. So stay tuned for that video, guys. And also, guys, happy Wednesday. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.